Do you know that you have a superhero power?
I do? What's my superhero power?
We all have one superhero power in common, and that's our words. Everyone say words.
Word!
Words are like a tube of toothpaste. If used correctly, it cleans our teeth and makes our mouth healthy. Words are the same way. If we use our words to cheer someone up, to say nice or encouraging things to each other, our words can bring joy and happiness to another person.
You're doing a great job. I believe in you. You're awesome. You're the best. I knew you can do it. I'm so proud of you.
Call today, 1-888-315-6772, or go to www.omegamansschools.com and have the #1 school assembly in your classroom.